2023 Beta Xtrainer First Look racing-oriented Beta RR models. Despite getting a major makeover last year, the trail-friendly Beta Xtrainer gets plenty of updates this year. Let's take a closer look at the 2023 Beta Xtrainer and check out what's new. That's a new subframe. The narrower design is patterned after the subframe on the racing-oriented Beta RR models. A new airbox is housed within the new subframe. According to Beta, airflow is increased. There's a new tank that holds an additional 9 ounces of fuel. The new tank is no wider. The tank plastic is now translucent to allow the rider to monitor the fuel level without removing the gas cap. With a new subframe in places comes new plastics. The side panels are new, as are the radiator shrouds. The side panels now have integrated number plates and just one fastener. The mid-mount for the tank mounted shrouds to the rear of the perimeter frame, rather than ahead of it. The graphics are now RR-inspired. The battery is now a lithium-ion cell. Beta says this year's Li-ion battery is lighter and more powerful. The 292cc two-stroke single returns. It features electric starting, kickstart optional, oil injection, a power valve, and a 6-speed transmission with an adjustable, diaphragm-style hydraulically actuated clutch. There are also 2 power modes, wet and dry. The all-AR 16-volt suspension is back. There are 10.6 inches of travel at both ends, which allows for the approachable 35.8-inch seat height. The all-A suspension units are fully adjustable, save compression damping in the fork. The 2023 Beta Xtrainer breaks the $8,000 price barrier. The MSRP is up $300 to $8,299. Look for the updated Xtrainer at Beta dealers in November. 2023 Beta Xtrainer specs. Engine type: 2-stroke single displacement, 292cc bore X-stroke, 73 by 69.9 mm compression ratio, 11.55. 1 fueling. KNPWK 36 mm carburetor exhaust valve. Beta progressive valve cooling. Liquid starting. Electric kick optional. Lubrication. Electronic oil injection transmission. 6-speed clutch. Diaphragm style with hydraulic actuation final drive. O-ring chain chassis. Frame. Perimeter style chromoly front suspension. Travel. Rebound damping and spring preload adjustable inverted all-AR 16 volts 43 mm fork. 10.6 inches rear suspension. Travel. Fully adjustable linkage assisted all-AR 16 volts piggyback shock. 10.6 inches tires. Michelin soft enduro competition front tire. 80x100/21 rear tire. 140x60/18 front brake. 260 mm floating disc with Nissan caliper rear brake. 240 mm disc with Nissan caliper dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase: 57.8 inches seat height, 35.8 inches ground clearance, 12.6 inches footpeg height, 15.4 inches fuel tank capacity, 2.32 gallons oil tank capacity, 22 ounces wet weight, 232 pounds color, red.